Let's do it! Here you see already the cylinder heads ready to be disassembled. We put the tool nicely under the bar that is already mounted, and the valve and the spring is not releasing. So there is a simple solution for this. We take a tool with a hole inside that we don't knock the valve down and give it a few gentle taps. This way the valve and the spring will release a bit of each other. We put the tool together, we push it down, with a gentle push at the bottom it's loose. The valve locks, we remove them with a magnetic screwdriver. It's always easier to have one. The second one that didn't want to come with, we will remove now. Hoppa. And the valve is removed. Or the valve is loose, to say it like that. We remove the tool. And then we take the spring out and put it in order. Because we don't want to mix them up. Here you see all the valves, all the springs ready and the complete head that is emptied. Everything is ordered nicely, otherwise this can give problems with mounting again, especially with the hydro valves. And here you can nicely see why it is so hard to remove those ones, because this is a double spring. This is something typical for the Saab B205 engines. Have a nice day, and thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.